you're missing all the flowers. The sun won't set for hours.
Hey guys,
Take your time.
I just want to pop in real quick. Well, first of all, there's absolutely nothing crazy or silly behind me, so don't worry about what's behind me right now. Second of all, I have a little fun fact for you guys. While we're talking about flowers, roses specifically are related to apples, plums, cherries, peaches, and believe it or not, almonds. So if you have a nut allergy, don't eat roses. But that's all I really had to say, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the show.